Today we're going to look at the Funy 2017 through 2024 metal alloy case for Ford products. As you can see here, we have a key from a 2021 Ford Bronco. I've gone ahead and taken out the 4 Phillips screws located here, 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 and here, and placed them over to the side. The package actually comes with this Phillips screwdriver and 3 additional Phillips screws in case you lose one during assembly. So we'll go ahead and take off the outer casing and also the front skin. Then what we're going to do is take our Ford key. We're going to actually pull out the little silicone boot. We're going to go ahead and put the silicone boot on our Ford key. Now that we've accomplished that, go ahead and set the Ford key into the back housing. And then we'll take and place the silicone boot on top. And then we'll go ahead and place that on there. Now, just to show you, we have the back casing with the back of the silicone boot. Nice alloy mill finish. Go ahead and take a look at that. The one thing I did notice, since this is more of a universal device, with the Ford Bronco, the unlock and lock and 2 times position are correct. But since this is a more universal Ford device, the horn button is actually going to be where it says 2X for the trunk release. And then this button where it has the horn indicator will not be used. Just to make you aware if you do decide to purchase this product. But I'm very impressed with the quality. And I will go ahead and put the Phillips screws in after the video completes. But this is my review of the Funy 2017 through 2024 metal alloy casing. Very happy with the construction, and will be happy to use this with my Ford Bronco.